Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting a precise intention and anchoring it to a brief routine. Say the outcome in present tense and place it where you'll see it. This makes the mind accept the new story. Once done, commit to a 5-10-minute daily practice combining relaxed breathing and vivid visualization. Make sure to record a simple baseline, mood, energy, and one behavior metric, so you can measure progress and tweak the approach as you go. Now you deepen the work by pairing cognitive reframing with sensory-rich visualization to reshape neural patterns. You practice for 10-20 minutes, alternating thought-challenging exercises and fully embodied imagery so the brain learns the new route. Once you've done that, layer in micro-habits, 30 to 120-second actions linked to your anchor routine to reinforce automatic behavior. Make sure to journal the trigger, thought, emotion, and an alternative response after each session so you can refine interventions and strengthen new circuits. To finish, consolidate gains by repeating your anchor and micro-habits daily for at least 21 days, preferably up to 66 to stabilize new patterns. You evaluate progress weekly, comparing your recorded metrics and adjusting intensity, timing, or prompts as needed. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Identify where you're stuck, cut the scope by half, and reapply a simpler micro-habit to rebuild momentum. Once momentum returns, gradually scale back up while keeping journaling and visualization consistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.